I'm here today with a couple of tips. You know, when you're cooking your delicious fish, you need to get rid of that fish scent. Most deodorizers will only cover up the scent temporarily. To completely eliminate the scent, place white vinegar in a bowl and place the bowl on your counter. The next day, you should have no traces of fish scent. If you have an overnight guest and they happen to be a smoker, when they leave, get your bowl out and place your vinegar in it. Again, this will eliminate the smoke scent completely. When needed, for your kitchen sink, pour about a cup of white vinegar in your kitchen sink, and it will keep your sink smelling fresh. These fabulous tips work, and it's cheap. Before I go, check out a couple of my fish videos. Please press the subscribe and notification button. It's free, and it will let you know when my next video is available. See you on my next video. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day. And thank you for watching my video.